Hello, welcome to another session. So in this session we are looking into the concept of basics in JavaScript. So as we have given 5 questions, we have to split up via my calculator, splitting the cover, then flower garden, wait instructor, and then coin flip, flipping the coin. So they have given the question has been already given with a small example, to state the formula into the question. So it was pretty easy and is just applying the formula as it is already used in Java. Okay, now we have taken something called weight in kilograms for body mass index, then we have taken height, then we have introduced the formula for weight into height divided by weight. So we are getting the element using the JavaScript code, that's jQuery, then getting it out. We include the elements into the table so that we get the resultant. In BMI is this. So when I execute this, I get let me enter some weight, maybe 80 kilos and 167 height, get BMI. So this is the BMI value. He is in pretty underweight for his weight is an height that is pretty low. So next question is flip the coin. We are taking two pictures, two images of the coin of head and tails, and then flipping it using the loop. So we get an input element, that is when we click the button it starts flipping. So according to the loop statements, it goes head or tail again and again according to the loop statement, how it falls into the position. So that spans into the selected area. So flipping, there's flipping. So once we flip it, it comes in random values. So it flips accordingly in position, head and tails. Then the next question is the flower garden. Flower garden is we are given a small patch of field where we have to place flowers. Like when we include the rows and columns, like maybe number of rows and number of columns, this image that should be planted in the flower garden. A garden is a big area where we are using the index values to loop into the statement where each number of rows or columns it is selected into, so the flower gets planted. So let me take 6 rows and 5 columns. Plant garden. There you go. I have given a variety of flowers here. Let me go 10, 6, 10. There. It's almost. This is the garden, so I've entered into the space. Next question is largest string that's available in the statement. So largest string is taken by long string value, where the loop is again used, and we use the maximum word taken out from the length of the sentence. I am So the largest string here is millionaire. Maybe let's take, see, there's a value that is differing here, and we convert the weight at last. Converting the weight, again we take input with an element that is given, so we're converting the weight into kg and pounds. So let's take maybe 120, and it's converted to the according value in adjacents. And this is how the simple JavaScript is done, the basic JavaScript using all these formulas and values. Thank you.